Marketers love BuzzSumo because it's easy to use and offers unparalleled data. BuzzSumo includes 5 years of historic data, totaling billions of articles, blog posts, videos, and Facebook posts. The homepage shows the most shared content for any topic or domain, but don't stop there. The Topic Explorer helps identify endless ideas for blog and social posts, newsletters, white papers, or ebooks. Enter a topic and BuzzSumo reveals related subjects and keywords. Model your content on the most popular articles or answer key questions from forums like Reddit and Quora. Work efficiently with projects, BuzzSumo's multi-purpose workspace. Save inspiring content, questions, or influencers for reference later. Use the Chrome extension to save content ideas you find outside BuzzSumo. 200 million Twitter profiles show how responsive influencers are. Use BuzzSumo to find the best influencer for any brand or product, no matter how big or small. BuzzSumo fits neatly into your marketing stack. Schedule posts through Buffer or Hootsuite to display when it's best for your audience. Join thousands of other marketers who've discovered the secret to great content. BuzzSumo.